we are going to make some tacos de Pescado Rodrigo, or Rodrigo-style fish tacos. And this is a dish that came from a restaurant in Mexico City called Casa Del. It's fresh fish, and then you make these delicious, chunky, savory tart sauce. And then you tuck it into a taco. It's so delicious. So I have my pan set over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add some oil to my pan, adding pepper and salt. And these are fillets of fish. They have no bones, but they do have skin on one side. As the fish browns, I'm gonna make the Rodrigo style sauce. It's going to take about half a cup of scallions or white onion, about half a cup of cilantro. It smells so grassy and citrusy. And I'm adding about a half a cup of the diced jalapeno chiles, fresh jalapenos that are pickled in a brine. I'm adding everything, the jalapenos in the brine. And then I'm adding a quarter cup of soy sauce and a quarter cup of freshly squeezed lime juice and a quarter cup of olive oil. And I'm gonna flip my fish. Oh, beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. I also wanna garnish with avocado, nice and ripe. Ah, it always makes me so happy when I crack open a perfectly ripe avocado. I'm gonna start heating my tortilla. I never ever make just one taco. As we say, uno es ninguno, dos es uno. Let's see what this is looking like. Ah, perfect, perfect, perfect. So beautiful. You get the fish like that, and then the salsa goes on top. Okay, tortillas, ready. Oh, beautiful. And then you break the fish like that into pieces. And then, oh, look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna add some avocado. Of course, I'm gonna add more sauce. The dark green parts of the scallions. And it goes so well with the salsa mexicana, which has tomatoes, jalapenos, chile de árbol. You gotta mix your chiles and mix your salsas. Okay. Oh, this is so juicy. It's citrusy, it's savory, and with a nice bite of the avocado, it's like seriously good.